Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope so that you are learning parts of speech quite well and you are getting the understanding of each and every part of speech. So today we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are, as you know, that a little bit very small words like in, at, on, into, onto, towards, for, from, since, like these type of words, all our words are called prepositions. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing indicated by it stands in regard to something else. So it tells us actually the position of different things, that how these things are relating to the other ones. So here are some appropriate prepositions are given, a lot of list in page number 159 to 160 or 61, that is given a different type of sentences with the prepositions. Today students, I am going to let you know the right uses of preposition, how you can use the prepositions correctly. So first of all, I will let you know about the indicating location with in, at and on. Generally speaking, at indicates a point, on indicates a surface, and in indicates volume or a closed space. For example, if I said that Rahim is waiting at the gate, at is just indicates the point that he is just giving you the a point that Rahim is where Rahim is waiting. The books are on the bed. On is indicating the surface. And if I said that the books are in the drawer, in is just giving us and indicating the closed space. So we just use in for regions also, regions, states, countries, cities, etc. We use on for the names of roads and at for some specific addresses or buildings, and for places like bus stops, hospital, etc. Like if I said that Jannat spent the holidays at her grandmother's house in Multan. So two prepositions are used here. At her grandmother's house, this is the point, and in Multan, in is a city. At his grandmother's house is an address or building. So we can use these words appropriately, these prepositions. I'm just going to elaborate now the other one prepositions like in, on, into, onto, to words, that how you have to use these prepositions. So let me tell you that we use in and on for things that are not moving. We use to, towards, into and onto to indicate movement. To is used with specific places. Towards is used to indicate direction. So this is the difference of use of prepositions. Now prepositions also indicate time. Generally speaking, at indicates a moment or indicates, on indicates a day, and in indicates a time period. If I said to you that Anwar was born at midnight on 30th September, you can easily understand that at midnight, at is elaborating about moment, and on is telling us a day, that on 30th September. And if I said that Anwar was born at midnight on 30th September in Karachi, so or you can say that it rains a lot in August. So in August mean a specific time period is indicated here. The other one are the other one prepositions like since and or from. We use since or from to indicate a time period from particular time till the present. So from and to is the combination indicates the start and end time of something. Like it rains a lot from July to September. It is just giving us some indication about the start of the rains and the ending of the rains in the months, different months. Another important preposition is for. We use for when a length of time is given. I waited for 2 hours. We lived there for 3 years. So these all are the uses of different prepositions. Another one is during. We use during when something takes place at the same time as something else, or when it takes place at some time within the given time period. I felt ill during class. So a specific time period is given that when I fell ill. There are other prepositions also like by, within, till, until. So let me tell you that we use by to indicate that something will happen or should happen before a specific time. Like submit your notebooks by Monday, that this is a specific time given to you. Within is used in a similar way, except that we give a duration of time and not a specific time. Like do the project within a week. We have not given a specific time here. We have just given some duration of time. We use till or until to indicate that something ended at a given time. Like we will live here till next month. She ate nothing until 11 o'clock. So here actually just the definition of a preposition is given here, but a preposition is not a very small topic, it is very vast topic. And I thought that I should clear to you that how you should use the prepositions and where they are used and how you can use it correctly according to the sentence. Another very important thing I would like to let you know that prepositions are used with a combination of different words also. Certain combination of words are commonly found together, like noun preposition compositions. Like you can say that affection for, appetite for, attack on. These type of examples are noun preposition combinations. Another combination is verb preposition combination, that with the verb the preposition is used and the meaning is something else, not according to the verb. Agree with, apply for, belong to, look at. These type of prepositions are the combination of verb preposition. Another type of preposition is adjective preposition combination. With the adjectives, some prepositions are attached and give some different meanings, like bad for, famous for, guilty of, proud of. So students, you can look easily in these sentences, like players must abide by the rules of the game. He was absent from the class. He was accused of theft. You must act upon the advice of your teacher. And now look at the page number 160, 161, 162, 163. All these pages are just the examples of different sentences, and different type of combination of preposition is given here. You can learn that what a type of combination is given here. You can easily identify that if these are the adjective preposition combination, or the verb preposition combination, or noun preposition combination. So you can easily identify and you can learn that with the combination of different words, what are type of meanings they are giving to you, and how you can use it effectively. So you have to learn these all the exercises, all these sentences with understanding, so that you can easily identify that how you have to use the preposition and what is the right way to use it. I hope so that a lot of information you have get from this lecture about prepositions, and you will easily identify the different kinds of prepositions also. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.